My name's Margaret. I decided to go have a refractive lens exchange carried out, and I went to Vision Scotland in Edinburgh, and I had a great experience while I was there. I was wearing glasses every day and also contact lenses, and I was finding it more and more difficult actually putting my contact lenses in, and I just did not like wearing my glasses at all. So that was due to that I made the decision to go ahead and get refractive lens exchange carried out. Personally, I didn't particularly like wearing glasses. I didn't really like that at all. And contact lenses, when I was wearing them, I found that my eyes became quite dry at times. So it was becoming more awkward to continue to wear them. Because I was long-sighted, I knew I wouldn't be able to have laser treatment done, and refractive lens replacement was the best option for me. I had read about it and felt it was quite the right procedure to go ahead with. So I'd researched a bit of refractive lens exchange, and I made the decision to go to Vision Scotland due to reviews, and obviously somebody had recommended them. My first appointment I went, I was very nervous because obviously it's a big procedure to go through, but I found it very reassuring. I had various tests carried out by nurses who were all very confident in what they were doing, which made me feel at ease. And then I saw Mr. Ross, my consultant, who talked through the procedure with me. And again, I just felt very confident. You know, he knew exactly what he was doing, which made me again feel at ease. After my first initial appointment, I was given an appointment date within the month, which I thought was really good and really quick. On the day of my surgery, I was asked to arrive an hour early, just obviously to get paperwork done and get prepared for the surgery. I was very nervous indeed, but the girls were all very reassuring. I was taken into a room to have my pre-op done by one of the nurses and various eye drops put in to numb my eye and also to enlarge the pupil to make the procedure easier. While I was waiting to go through to get the procedure done, again, very nervous. One of the girls did offer to hold my hand if I really needed it, but I felt I would be fine. I was taken into the actual surgery, lay on the table, had various drapes put on my face, and again, the girls were lovely, reassuring me all the way through. The procedure itself probably took about 20 minutes for each eye, and you know, it was so quick and easy. Before you know it, you're back through in the recovery room. You just walk back through, and then while I was in there, I was given a coffee and a tea cake. Felt great, and within the hour, I was discharged home. Afterwards, my recovery was very good. I did have dry eyes at times, but it was so good. We had a helpline that we could phone. We were given a number, so I just phoned the girls that night, who reassured me that this was all normal. I'd been given eye drops to lubricate the eye for dry eyes, and I was told at that point to start using them, and that would help. But definitely having that helpline that night helped a lot. Since I've had the surgery done, life has totally changed for me. I don't have to get up in the morning, look for my glasses. I can see right away. I'm able to read the newspapers. I can put my makeup on without trying to do that with glasses on and contacts. Life has just changed so much, and I'm just so pleased that I've actually gone ahead and had the procedure done. If anybody is thinking of getting refractive lens exchange carried out, I would certainly recommend it. No problem at all, so quick, so easy, recovery time's very quick. There's always someone there at the end of the line if you have any problems. Absolutely delighted with Vision Scotland.